This is code.org, and we are considering the following superclass and subclass. Cool. Which two of the following new subclasses would be appropriate to add to the hierarchy? Select two answers. All right, so let's our hierarchy. We have a state, okay? And what is extended off of our class, so this must be the superclass, because Florida must be extended off of state. So what could we add to this hierarchy? Well, our options are Mexico, Canada, Texas, California, and Asia. Well, let's process through this. So first, Mexico, Canada, Texas, California, Asia. My first thought is, or ones I find tempting, is something like Mexico and Canada, right? Because if I am adding to a hierarchy, well, what would be above state? A country. However, something we want to keep in mind is we're already provided an example of one of these, right? So we know they're considering Florida to be a subclass or extended off of state. So if Florida is allowed to be extended off of state, keep in mind you can extend multiple classes, right? You can have many subclasses for a single class, right? So we could have plant, and then we could have tree, flower, lily pad subclasses. If we have state in Florida, well, guess what else is a state? Bloop, bloop. Pretty solid. Onward.